to feed on a wide variety of different fruit predominantly, so they can perch more of a sustainable level in order to be able to help augment them so that they can thrive in the future, hopefully as much as our turkey.
Bold, bright, and beautiful colors they have. They stand out on those
Islands are members of the record as being one of the loudest members of the Peninsula community. All right, he's warmed up. He'd love to whistle a tune for you. Keep in mind, he's making it up as he goes along, so we'll see what he has for everyone out here today. Well, there you have a lovely little Fernando.